Probably the best skate ever. Probably the best skate ever. I'm smiling because if I don't smile, I'm going to cry. We're going to Insta skate. Hi guys, we are in Nice. I can't wait. I'm literally 30 seconds walking away from the beach, from the promenade where I'm going to skate tomorrow morning. Right now I just got in. This is like this gorgeous studio that I found on Booking, and it has a balcony, and it's really just like for one person, or max two, with its own balcony. And the tram stop is right in front, right here, and literally gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Okay guys, so this is first outfit, first night, and I wanted to look cute and girly because it's hot, it's warm outside, and I love this. And then tomorrow morning I'm going to wake up super early to skate again, and I'm going to get myself some nice little lingerie, and you know, and I can practice my Français that I haven't spoken since la high school. So yeah, we're going out to dinner, and I want to skate there over the boulevard. It's getting dark, but I don't care. And then we're going to skate to meet each other on the boulevard. I think one of the girls is coming by bike because she's not that secure yet about street skating. And then we're going to have dinner finally, because I am starving and I need to eat, otherwise I get angry. So yes. It's 1:04 a.m. and I just got in from our dinner slash late night skate. We went quite far over the entire boulevard, which is amazing, and it's Friday night and the vibe was good. We decided to do a random midnight skate over the boulevard, up hills and down hills, and Irene is scared. Frenna is just like, she doesn't care, she's just going, and I'm like along for the ride. People were just looking at weird because who would skate in midnight? But we went skating at midnight, and my skates of course have lights, so a lot of people like commented on that, or they started cheering me on. So far my findings and recommendations. Nice is amazing, the vibe is great, the people so far have been very nice and very accommodating to English, which you don't really see a lot in France, at least not like in the northern parts, Paris and stuff. Skating in Nice I think is very doable. Of course you have the boulevard, but where I've been so far off the boulevard has also been quite nice. The only thing is it is quite hilly, so you need to be able to do your speed control and you need to be able to stop. I'm going to make a tutorial on that because I think that's one of the most important things you need to know as a beginner skater, is how to stop, how to slow down when you're on a hill. But yeah, it was really nice. Tomorrow we're going to do a very long skate, so let's see how that goes. Have to wake up early, so I'm going to go and take off my face and yeah, sleep. So the plan for today is skate on the boulevard, then do kind of like a tour to some type of cape and see how far we get. So we skated the same way we came last night. We skated back up and then she came with the idea that tonight we have to go and climb those stairs up to that castle over there. Ambitious, very ambitious. Yes. Status update. That hill was way too steep. We couldn't make it. Coming down, we had to hold on, and then we still couldn't make it, so we had to take off our skates and then we came here to this lovely spot to have some lunch, a little bit of drinks, and then we're going to try to see if we can reach it by either bus or tram, to have a little swim and yeah, explore a bit. So Boulevard is a yes. The rest of the town, questionable if your skills are not awesome with hills, and I don't have brakes, so that makes it even worse. Oh, and another cool thing happened. We were skating and then these two girls called me over, and they actually live in Amsterdam. They're not Dutch, but they live in Amsterdam, and they recognized me. They followed me on Instagram, so we had a nice little chat, and yeah, I love it. Really, really nice. It's a great way to connect with people that actually like follow me on Instagram. So thank you girls, you made my day. So happy, and yeah, look forward to meeting more of you in real life. So we've arrived at Cap Ferrat. It's like a nice little square, and you're skating there, all these yachts and sailboats and whatever. So maybe you'll snatch yourself a billionaire. Behind a mountain that's like a bit foggy behind there, that is Italy. That's just crazy. Look at these yachts. Like I foresee my future. This is my future. I'm supposed to be here. There are signs that say no skateboarding, so I'm guessing roller skating is also not completely accepted. I'm still doing it, but if somebody comes and complains, I'll have to take them off. This is literally the coolest stairs I've seen. It looks like a cave, and it's like winding up, and it's covered in plants, which you really can't see because backlight. A great day at the beach. Didn't swim because I saw jellyfish floating around. Yeah, they were like, it's not poisonous. I'm like, it's red. Red means poisonous. I'm not going in. So night number 2. Somehow it feels like I've been here way longer, but I'm skating. We had dinner and I was going to go home, but I decided to take a long skate to the whole other side of the boulevard and then back to the middle where my accommodation is. And yeah, this is so peaceful. I love it. Everybody's looking at my wheels though, so that's funny, but Day 3, talking to my mother on WhatsApp and walking around trying to explore the old city. There's so many unique buildings in the city. It's just crazy. It's so beautiful and all these different styles. Feast for your architectural eyes. This is my skate outfit for today. I'm wearing my set from AliExpress that I'm in love with, and then this beach cover up on top. Decided to take a break from skating and getting myself a cocktail. Drinks by the beach is the best way to end my 3rd day here, and it's just, I'm loving this. Good morning guys, it's my last day in Nice. Well, last day, it's my last morning actually. I have to fly at 2 and it's now 9:45. I still want to go for a short little skate, but my injury is flaring up, so I'll have to see how that goes. Yeah, I still want to be on time because I missed my flight from Berlin to Amsterdam last week and I don't want to miss this flight. So yeah, time for the last skate of this trip. I have about 30 minutes to skate before I have to come back and get ready, change my clothes to go to the airport. So I'm on time. So it's going to be a very short skate, but probably the best skate ever. So I just got back from my last skate in Nice. Just showered, so I'm not like smelling to sweat on this flight. And I have to leave in about 20 minutes, but I'm smiling because if I don't smile, I'm going to cry. So I'm going to like smile through this. So I had a freak fall. There was a car in the middle of the boulevard, like one of those garbage collecting trucks or whatever. And I had to swerve onto the cycling path to avoid it. And somehow I think my long dress got caught in my skate or something. I don't know, something happened that made me fall, like full speed fall. I'm fine though, like I didn't even hurt, like I think I scraped my knee a little, but I'm not even feeling it. But I was holding my phone and my Insta 1X2 in my hand. My phone, because I have a protection thing on it, it's fine. It's like I just need to replace the protection glass. But my Insta 360 1X2 is not fine. So this is what the touchscreen looks like. The lens is actually quite okay, except for this part, which has something broken in there. And if you see, look at the case closely, the case is also cracked. See? It is dead, as in when I start it up, it tells me that there is no internal memory card. So the core is dead. I contacted them, they told me, well, the core is probably dead. If I want to replace the lens, it's going to be $200. To replace the touchscreen part is also $139. But yeah, if the core is dead, the core is dead. So I think the best course of action would be to buy a whole new Insta 1X2. Watch my YouTube video, guys. Watch the ads because I need the funds. This is not in the planning, but okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm just gonna buy a new one. It's gonna be fine. Okay, I'm going to hurry up and get dressed because I don't want to miss my flight again. So, bye guys. I'll see you back in Le Pays-Bas, Le Nederlanden, Hollanda, whatever you call it. So, deuces.